Hello everyone. Biryani is an all-time favorite dish for anyone who loves to eat rice. In this video, I am going to show you how to make gorgeous paneer biryani very quickly, and this will be the ideal lunch menu you can have over the weekend. Let's see the ingredients now. I have cut 2 large onions into very thin slices. I took 2 tomatoes cut into fine pieces, some ginger garlic paste, and little mint leaves. I have cut paneer into large cubes. Half cup of curd. Here is the cooked basmati rice. I actually cooked 1 cup of basmati rice and got a bowl of cooked rice. Keep a kadai on the pan. Pour oil generously. And also add a spoonful of ghee. Now add the sliced onions. Fry them for a couple of minutes. Add the required salt. I already added some salt and rice while cooking. Now add the ginger garlic paste, the mint leaves. Fry the onions until they turn brown and translucent. Add the finely chopped tomatoes. Fry them for a couple of minutes. Add some turmeric powder, a spoonful of biryani masala, a teaspoon of Kashmiri red chili powder. Saute them until the tomatoes become soft. Add some more oil. Now add the curd. Let it cook for 2 minutes. Now add the paneer cubes into the mixture. Mix them so that the paneer is coated nicely with the masala. Let the paneer pieces become soft. Now you could see all the moisture got absorbed and the paneer biryani masala is looking so gorgeous. Simmer the stove now. Add the cooked rice. Mix the masala and rice gently without breaking the rice or the paneer cubes. Spread the masala evenly to each bit of the cooked rice and switch off the stove. Add finely chopped coriander leaves, some cashews fried in ghee. Transfer it to a bowl. The easy and delicious paneer biryani is now ready to serve. Hope you enjoyed this video. Happy eating. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share as well as subscribe to my channel. Enlight you.